Welcome to Online Money Hunter, where I teach you guys how to make money. In today's video, we are going to try and convert this BabyBTC to our BNB. Okay, so that's what we are going to do right now. So let's try and check whether we can swap this BabyBTC. Okay, so this is an airdrop we got 4 weeks ago. Okay, so this is the video. So let's try and check whether we can swap it. So what do we need to do? We are going to check we are going to browse BabyBTC. Okay, just if you want to just go to that video, you can click on it, then it will take you here. You go to the description, you can click on that video, it will get you here. So once you are here in BabyBTC, what do you need to do? You are going to check for the address. Okay, you are going to check the address. So we are looking for the address. So this is the contract address. You are going to copy it. Okay, so once we copy it, we go to our trust wallet. That's the next thing we are going to do. So we click on our trust wallet. Okay, so you can see here that I have 9,400 here. 9,400. Can you see that? 9,400. So what next do we need to do? We are going to click on this Dapp, this browser. We click on browser. So once we click on browser, we are going to look for PancakeSwap. This is PancakeSwap. So we are going to click on PancakeSwap because this is the exchange that we can do this with. So after that, we are going to change this to ETH. We are going to change this ETH to BNB Smart Chain. So we click on this place. So we change it to BNB Smart Chain. So this is what it is now. You can see it's BNB Smart Chain. So what next do we need to do? We are going to connect our BNB Smart Chain here by clicking it. So we click on Trust Wallet. Once we click on this Trust Wallet, so once we click on Trust Wallet, it will connect. So like if you want to connect, if you want to add this BabyBTC, you click and you can see that it's already added here. So let me show you how you can add it. You click on this place, this BabyBTC. Once you click on this place, you paste the contract address you copy from their site. So you paste here. So once you paste it here, this BabyBTC will appear, and you can see that we have 9,400 here. So I click on this. So once you click on that, it will connect. So after connecting it, you can see the exact amount that I have there. So what we need to do, we are going to, you can sell like 25%, which is 2.90 USD, or you can sell 50%, which is 5 USD, or you can sell maximum, which is the total amount. Okay, let me show you something. Like if you are going to swap this to BNB, the one that you want to use to swap should be at the top, while the receiver will be at the down. So if you enter BNB at top, then you click here to make sure you add your BNB Smart Chain. Okay, you can add it. This is BNB Smart Chain. Or if you want to swap it with other coin, you can do it like USDT or Cake, okay, or BTC, any one of your choice. So we are making use of BNB. So you can see how much I'm going to get for 9,400 here. That's 11.46. That's the amount. So what do we need to do? We are going to enable BTC. Okay, we are going to enable this BabyBTC by clicking on this place. So once we click on that, we'll leave it to load. You can see approve BabyBTC. I click on confirm. Okay, so I'm going to put my authentication. Okay, so you can see here that I can swap it. Let me click, and my slippage is 10%. Let me leave it to 5%. If you want to change your slippage, make sure that you change it here, this place. Okay, this settings here, you click on settings and it will get you here. So you click on this one, you can leave it for 5%. Okay, so you click on done. So if you come down here, you will see that it's 5%. So let's try and swap this coin. Let's try and swap this coin. We click on swap. So you can see that this is 9,400 BTC, and I'm going to get 0.054505, okay, 45. You can see it here. So this is equivalent to $11 plus. So what next do we need to do? We are going to confirm the swap. Let's check whether it will work. So the price impact, you can see everything here. So you can see that price impact is 2.62%, while trading fee is 23.5 BabyBTC. You can see it here. Let me click on confirm to check whether it will work. I will allow it to load. Okay, so I click on approve. So I'll add my transactions submitted. You can see transactions submitted. So it simply means that this worked. So I will click on close. So I'm going to go back to our BNB. You can see that I don't have BabyBTC here again. So let me go to our BNB smart chain. So I go back and I click on this list. So I will refresh this again. You can see it right now. You can see it. I have 7.28. That's BNB I have here before. So let me refresh it. So you can see that I don't have BabyBTC here again because I sold it out. So let me go. I click on this. Wow. You can see that I have 18.65. You can see it right now. 18.65. This is to tell you that whenever I ask you to do something, try and do that at that moment. You can start selling yours right now. You can start selling yours right now. So let's go, let's go, let's go. You can see that I have 18 points. You can check 11 plus that $7 I had here. So you can see it. This is it. This is it. This is today by 10:20 a.m. You can see this place. You can check my time for you to know that it's working. That's why I keep telling you guys, do whatever I ask you to do in this channel. So you can see that at Adebin, I bought like $1,000 of this. I'm going to make a lot of money, okay? But I decided to, try this with a little money. I tried this. This is just airdrop. I bought like $2. Okay, I bought like $2 and I got 11 here. So you can see it here. You can see it here. That's 18.65. You can see it. Wow. So guys, some people say that this BabyBTC is fake. You can see that I have swapped it. That's to show you that it's not fake. Okay, it's not fake. That's why I'm showing you this right now. Okay, this is BabyBTC. So I swapped it. You see how I do that. Okay, if you want to swap this, always know that you need BNB as your transaction fee. Remember this. If you don't have BNB as transaction fee, this won't go. So make sure you have BNB. You can still buy and sell here. Okay, you can still buy and sell if you wish. Go to my description. Use the link there to get yours. Okay, use the link there. You can see that I have $11 there. Wow, I'm so happy. I'm so happy because this is mind blowing. So I'm still going to make another video on how you will keep making money, how you will keep making money. Okay, I'm going to do another video on that. So make sure you follow me. Make sure you follow me. Smart contract call executed. You can see it here. You can see it here. I show you what I practice. Okay, I'm not the kind of person that keep talking without doing the practice. Okay, so you can see it here. You can see it here. So guys, I want you guys to like this video, join me, and another place you can make a lot of money is this particular video. Okay, let me show you. I uploaded this video yesterday, and I want you guys to start investing with this website. I want you guys to start investing with this website, okay? Because whatever that I ask you to do here, always know that I practice it. That's why I ask you to do that. So guys, we need to make this money together. Go and watch this app USD trading, app USD launchpad trading. I made $142 here. You can see it here, $142. So watch this video and see how I make this video, and you can make the same amount. Go and watch this video. Go and watch this video also. This is about app USD. This is the website that I will also guarantee you that you are going to make a lot of money when you participate with that. So also come and watch this BabyBTC airdrop here, so you can also earn a lot of money here. So guys, always subscribe and turn on the notification bell, so that whenever I upload video like this, you'll be the first person to watch. And being the first person to watch simply means that you are going to make money. You are going to follow the step that I give, and once you follow that step that I give, you are going to make a lot of money, okay, with it. So guys, I thank you for your time. See you at the top, okay? Bye bye.